Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making buttermilk pancake. So guys, for this pancake I'm going to be making the buttermilk substitute, which just consists of water, powdered sugar and some vinegar. And then I'm going to be mixing my dry ingredients, which is flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda and salt, you know, the usual. And I'm just going to mix this together and set aside. By the way, your buttermilk is supposed to sit for 5 to 10 minutes just so that the milk gets to curdle more. And in a separate bowl I'm just mixing 1 egg and some oil and the buttermilk mixture that we already made. Don't worry, all the ingredients and measurement are listed in the description box below. So guys, I just mix this together, and then you want to add your dry to your wet, not your wet to your dry, okay? Because that way you get more lumps than when you add it this way. And there are not really rules to this. As you can see, I just poured everything in and I'm just gently mixing this together so that I do not over mix it to get a stretchy dough. And you just want to mix it till it's just right. So I've been preheating my waffle maker for a minute, and this is just to help it not stick to the bottom, because I am not a fan of rubbing butter or oil on the base before putting in your waffles, because that just gives me the vibe that I'm eating pancake all over again. Okay, so I just preheated this and added in the batter, and I let it stay till the light turns green. If you're using an unstove waffle maker, then I think you need to oil it. I don't know if it's non-stick, but make sure your waffle maker is non-stick before you do this. So guys, look at how beautiful these waffles look now. Just take a look at how thick and fluffy this waffle looks. Oh gosh, they are so soft and so fluffy, and they taste so light, right? And they are more filling than the regular waffles that are crispy. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button so that you get to see my next recipe, which is this crunchy fried chicken that you're already seeing. The recipe is going to be up on my channel tomorrow, so be sure to hit the subscribe button to check out for that. Anyways guys, I paired this waffle and chicken with the homemade pancake syrup that I made. Look at how thick this pancake syrup is. So guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. So I just want to show you what the inside of this waffle looks like, so that you see how soft and easy it was to cut out. And just take a look at the depth, like the thickness of this waffle. I'm sure this is going to be one of the best waffle recipes you've tried. Just try it out and let me know what you think. Bye.